Hi guys, I'm Philip. So today I'm gonna teach you how to manually or do the panel with open the hole for the sink. Okay. So first we drag sink first lah. If you want to drag, if you want to right click add sink also okay. But today a special a bit, so we drag the sink from here. Okay. So this one is manually lah. Manually a bit difficult. Okay. You can find on. Where is my kitchen? No, I want sink, so I should find the sink should be in here. Okay, sink, kitchen. Where? Okay, like this. Okay, so let's say I want put a sink here. Let me see which sink I want to put. A bit different one. Maybe this one. Maybe this one, or a bit different one. This one. Okay, so I drag this one, put here. Okay, then I manually adjust it. Okay, manually adjust it. Or this one is something you want to make yourself suffer one, then you can try. Okay, so after that, okay, maybe this one I make it bigger lah, because it's manually, so I make it bigger. Okay, so I can put baby inside maybe. Okay, then after that, if I want to do the tabletop, right, I can create it with this function, with this function, special board. You can go to visible panel. No, decoration shelf. Okay, go for this one. Decoration. Sorry. Where is my super board? Yes, super panel. Okay, just drag the super panel, then you change the size you want. For example, you click on here, change the size 1200 or same as it, and the width is 550. I think add with the 50 for the door, so 600 is enough. Okay, so this one the thickness I make it 100 because it's the tabletop. Okay, then maybe you can move the tabletop like this. So I tag button. Select this one, this one. Okay, then after that, want to open the hole, right? Simple. You can use B board selection or board selection. Select it, right click, you can go to panel point editing. Okay, in here, right, you want to open the hole, I suggest you use draw. Okay, draw is the best, so you just draw the pattern you want. Maybe I draw here to here, or open the hole. Okay, open the hole. Then I want some curve on the hole. Okay, maybe I want the curve on the hole. I click on here, so I click this one. 250, never mind. Click this one. You get curve. Okay, you can choose any pattern you want. Okay, so I choose curve. Okay, so you look perfect. Then click save. Return. Okay, so you can see hole lah. Maybe if this one not enough, you can adjust it, or you can adjust it. That's why I said manually so we can click C. Okay, exit first. Exit all the thing. Exit here. This one you can press tag C. Manually adjust it. Okay, so you can create a tabletop for your own and the material apply you can select. Select, maybe you want stone, then you can select stone, or marble, then you select marble. Okay, no problem. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye.